I do emphasize on key levels and the power of key levels. So I took a set trade on crash Challenges index using this simple market approach. I went to daily time frame and saw the overall market direction. Market went to a downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. That's the first thing I take note of whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities. I identified the overall market direction on a higher time frame. Then I scaled down to a lower time frame to get a good entry point. So on the daily time frame on this index, you've seen the market has been creating lower highs and lower lows. I identified this market trend at this point. It's a clear market direction basically. Market's in a downtrend. We had a high at this point. We got another high, but a lower high at this zone. We got another high as well, a lower high. So we've seen how the market has been rejecting on the test of this trend resistance. Always spot or trend resistance and trend support whenever you want to analyze the market. So when we extend this thing, you can see that the market still reacted on this trend resistance at this point. We got the rejection on this trend resistance. You've seen how the market has been reacting on this resistance level. Always identify your trend resistance and trend support. Always spot the overall market direction. Always identify the market's key levels. We got the market react on this level as a resistance, so to the downside, so to the downside on a test of this level, so to the downside. The market can sell from this trend resistance on a test of it. There's still a possibility of the market selling from this same trend resistance on a test of it, which we got at this point. So I was watching out for this level for a possible sell trade, which I got at this point. You can see moving in good profit. The trade is moving nicely up. And also identify this horizontal resistance level, a key level basically, which we also got at this point. We got a resistance level at this zone. You can see how the market reacted on this level as a support and as a resistance in the past. Market has always reacted on a test of this level. Market sold to the downside, rejected on this one as a support, bought to the upside, broke below this level, support broke, turned resistance. You can see the retest on this level, the sell to the downside as a resistance. Another approach on this level, the sell to the downside as a resistance. Market finally broke above this level, gave us a retest on not really a proper retest, but it's reacted on this level. There was an indication that there's a level at this point. Market reacted on this level, pushed to the upside. It tested this broken level of resistance at this point, turned support to break and test the buys to the upside. So this level have to be identified as a key level, as a level we could expect market reaction on. So for the market to approach this level, we are likely to get the sells on it, which we got at this point. So we had two reasons of shorting this index at this point: the reaction on this trend resistance and the market reaction on this horizontal resistance level. So I took my sells at this point. I didn't just enter the sells at this zone. I went to a lower time frame to have a good entry level. And you also have this level as well, a key level, which you also have to identify. You have this level at this point. You have this level at this point. This is a key level basically. Market reacted on this level as a support. Let's place this properly. Market reacted on this level as a support here, a support here, a support at this point. Broke below it, retested it as a resistance. The sells to the downside, reacted on this level, the sells to the downside, reaction here. So we're likely to get the market react on this same level. So our target level is at this point basically. We could expect possible buys from this zone, but we are shorting this index to this point to buy from this zone, to look out for possible buy opportunities. And we have this trend support as well. We have this trend support. So let's watch out for market reaction on this zone for possible buy. So our TP level is at this point. So how did I get into the trade at this point? What was my entry point after spotting the market key levels and zones on a higher time frame? So I went to the 4-hour time frame basically. I saw that we had a rejection on this level, a candlestick rejection on this zone on a test of this level on a 4-hour time frame. I had about 3 candlestick rejections. Got the first candlestick rejection at this point, the second one and the third one at this zone with this bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame. So I went to the 1-hour time frame basically to have a clear entry at this point. So the 1-hour time frame, we got this mini uptrend at this point. Market creating higher highs and higher lows. So I identified this market structure basically and was sure that the market has broken out of this uptrend that we got as this zone. So we got a break out of this uptrend. So I took my sells at this point. I took my sells at this zone with my stop loss above this market structure. I went to the 15-minute time frame to have a clear entry. The market reacted on this level as a resistance broke above this level, retest on it as a support, resistance broke and turned support at this zone, the break and retest of this level, the buys to the upside. So I identified this level as a key level, a possible level to take my sells if I can get a break below it. So the market broke below this level with a retest on it. So I entered on this bearish engulfing candle formation we got at this point. This bearish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, the market's moving nicely, we're in profit. They are still moving in good profit. More sales expected. So I entered on the break and test of this broken level of support or resistance. I've taken partials in this trade. I had my first TP at this point and it got smashed because this level was a level of resistance, a support at this point. So this is a key level. So I was expecting a market reaction at this point, which we got here. Market bought from here as a support, buys to the upside. So my first TP was smashed at this zone. We're moving in good profit still. My last target level is at this point. So I'm expecting the market to sell to this zone for possible buy trade, because we've seen the market create higher lows at this point, adding to our horizontal support level. which we got at this zone, horizontal support level and our trend support. So likely to get the market reject from this level for possible buys in the coming days and crash 300 index. So long-term sales expected. That's how I took my sales basically on this index, working with market price action, identifying the market key levels and zones, identifying the market trend, and you can see moving in good profit. So hit the like button for more trade reviews like this and more market analysis. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and you have a wonderful day. Peace.